Hello friends, welcome back to Tech with IQ. Today, we will learn how to change our Facebook profile name in simple steps. Let us start. Firstly, open your Facebook profile. Go to the account settings by clicking on the upper right side of your screen. Click on Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. Here, you will get General Account Settings. Now click on Edit to change the name. I am changing my name from Smart Queen to Sweet Hania. Please be alert. You won't be able to change your profile name for 60 days, so choose your name wisely, as it will become your identity on your Facebook account. Let us review our changes. Here, you can select the desired choice. After putting the password, let us save these changes. See, you have successfully changed your profile name. Let us review these changes. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel if you like this video.